Hey everyone, it's time for the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. This month's challenge was submitted by our community member, Ilgar Zarbaliyev. Follow along and see if you can solve it yourself.
Hey everyone, let's jump into this month's Excel challenge from Ilgar. Consider this challenge that a marketing analyst might face. You've got a big spreadsheet full of customer data, which includes a list of the products that they've purchased, and more importantly, how much they've spent with your business over a certain period of time.
Wouldn't it be nice to know which customers have spent the most money? Those would certainly be the ones you'd like to offer exclusive perks to in the hopes they'll remain loyal, regular customers. Well, in this challenge, we'd like you to take this data and go through a few important steps to produce a tiered list of customers so you can design loyalty programs and promotional campaigns. Here are the details. Step 1. Create a unique list of customers from the data. Step 2. Calculate the total amount spent by each customer. And step 3. Segment this list into 3 tiers. The bronze level customers have spent less than $12,000. The silver level has spent between $12,000 and $22,000. And the gold level has spent more than $22,000 with your business. With a clear segmentation report, your team can launch exclusive offers to each tier and build appropriate marketing messages for each customer level. With 3 steps to complete, do you think you could figure out how to do each one? Well, to up the stakes, do you think you could figure out how to complete all 3 steps with just one formula? Give that some thought. Either way, share your results with us, and best of luck.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!